In a small, sun-kissed village in Jamaica, a vibrant energy filled the air, like the rhythmic beats of reggae wafting through the colorful streets. It all began one humid summer morning when a peculiar phenomenon struck. Every couple in the village found themselves welcoming a baby into the world within weeks of each other. With each new dawn, the number of joyful cries echoed across the community. The baby boom, as it soon became known, swept through the region like a wave, and the laughter of children became the soundtrack of life. As news of Jamaica's extraordinary baby boom broke around the world, it caught the attention of celebrities from the UK, Canada, and America. People like Sting, Drake, U2 and Meghan Markle saw the stories splashed across their social media feeds and felt compelled to step in. With hearts full of compassion and curiosity, they booked flights to Jamaica to witness this remarkable phenomenon firsthand. Upon their arrival, they were greeted by a joyful chaos, families bustling about, children playing in the warm sunshine, and mothers cradling their little ones with pride. The celebrities were mesmerized by the love and unity within the community. They quickly organized a grand gathering on the beach, inviting everyone for a day of celebration filled with music, food, and laughter. It was a carnival of joy, with reggae tunes playing, jerk chicken sizzling, and the aroma of fresh fruits wafting through the air. During this joyous event, the celebrities took the opportunity to talk with the local families about their needs. They learned that while the joy of welcoming new life was exhilarating, many families were struggling to make ends meet. Moved by their stories, the stars offered monetary gifts and created job opportunities for parents, ensuring they could provide for their expanding families. They even assisted in helping families secure homes, turning dreams of stability into reality. As the festivities continued, heartfelt connections were formed. Meghan spoke with mothers about their hopes and dreams, while Idris joined the fathers in a spirited game of cricket. Drake, Sting and U2 even collaborated with local artists, showcasing their incredible talent in a music video dedicated to the island and its resilient people. The laughter and love created that day were not just a fleeting moment, they ignited a long-lasting bond between the community and the celebrities. With promises of support, some families were even offered the chance to travel abroad for better jobs, ensuring their children's futures shone bright. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the village, the baby boom became a symbol of hope, unity, and extraordinary grace. Jamaica thrived not only in the sound of new laughter but in the spirit of giving and collaboration, where community and love blossomed, turning a strange occurrence into a beautiful tapestry of life.